Tapos taas. Hello mga bossing, good morning, good morning. So, meron tayong pupuntahang site ngayon dun sa Silay City. Ang pangalan ay La Alegria Residential Estates. So, yung La Alegria ay the first lake community dito sa Negros Occidental. So, samahan nyo ako. Let's go!
If you have always dreamed of peace and quiet, this serene residential community is for you.
So pagpasok nyo ng entrance, so ito yung bubungat sa inyo. Ito yung clubhouse no ng La Alegria. Pasok tayo. Wow. Grabe ang social. So, dito sa clubhouse, meron tayong basketball court tsaka badminton court. So, pasok tayo dito sa basketball court. Yan. Ooh, damn. Damn. Badminton court. Naglalaro ako ng badminton kung dito lang ako nakatira. Ganda. Here we have Ma'am Melissa Lim.
Yes. Hi, my name is Melissa Lim. I'm the branch officer for Orchard Property Marketing Corporation, an exclusive marketing arm for Santa Lucia Land Incorporated. Marketing projects such as Manville, Buena Vida, in Silay, Manville in Bacolod City, and La Alegria here in Silay City. La Alegria is the first lake community here in Silay City, if not in whole Negros Island. Ini siya ang first na lake community that offers both residential and commercial. Kaya nga dun mga amenities dili is not your typical subdivision amenities, more on resort-like amenities kita dili. Tuwa ni siya clubhouse, tuwa min pool, here at the lighthouse, and very healthy ang lifestyle kung pagkaka gina-offer dito sa lalim.
Ngayon, punta tayo ng kanilang gym. Ito yung amenities ng mga lot owners, no? Yan. So, this will be the soon to be gym. Pero wala pang mga gamit, no? Wow, ito yung view. Ganda. Yan, kita yung tower, no? Ito yung pool. Damn. Ganda. Yan, dito tayo sa lighthouse, guys. So, ito yung lighthouse ng La Alegria. By the way, the lake can be used now. Example, kayaking. Yan. And we have our pool. Our pool. Parang sa atin no? ito yung kanilang pool, no? Saka itong lighthouse. Samahan nyo ako. Akit tayo.
Bilog nga lunggo bala siya nga bilog. Na tibuok nga lugar sa La Alegria. Nindot kay to tanawon guys. Tanawon na to sa babaw ron. Tara.
So, Boss Danilo, ano nga yung requirements para sa reservation? Duha ka ID? Duha ka ID tapos duha ka proof of billing. Oh, reservation of 15,000. So, yun po, no? For reservation, all you need to have is 2 valid IDs and 2 proof of billing. Ang taas. Sarado na to. Oh! Oh! Hello! Taas! Hello! Ang taas! Wow! Laka, nice! Oh! Taas! Side. Yung iba po yan already sold out na po yung iba, no? And this is the mountain view, no, na La Alegria. Marami lote na nabibili na, so pa-reserve lang po kayo.
Santa Lucia Land, a premier developer of picturesque lakeside communities, now brings this charming concept to Silay.
So, personally, what I love about Santa Lucia or sa La Alegria is well, hindi naman ma-deny nga namin, yun man ang amenities, yun na, ang lake, ang lighthouse, nakasaka, ako na, subong adlaw, katuwa, and breathtaking, yun ang view kay sea view ka dito, then may mountain pa. Pero ipara kayo sa babaw sa lighthouse, and then ipara ka sa dalo, amuli ang pool na to, and we also have Paradise Island sa besides ng lighthouse. May pool ba dito and mini clubhouse man for little gatherings lang. Aring pool na to, namin man. And also, ang namin sa clubhouse, may ballroom kitchen na design. Also, may araman kita sa basketball court, badminton or tennis court, pwede. And may gym kita sa babaw. So, these are the amenities na kinover subong ni La Alegria. So, if ever you're thinking of buying a land, we still have available lots here. You may always contact Raymar as your sales agent and he will help you in reserving a lot. Thank you so much.
A beacon of beauty amidst Negros' wonders of nature. La Alegria Residential Estates.